So it means that we're going to, thank you, Premier, pull up. It means we're going to announce the winner, and then Mr. Doku will present to the first runner-up.
Exactly.
And then Mr. Winfred Kingsley Afo will present
the grand prize
to the ultimate winner. So shall we invite on stage as well Mr. Winfred Kingsley Afo, who is the COO for Media General. Please put your hands together for him as well. Brand new car, Links Entertainment, 100,000 cities airtime, international promotion. And the winner, please put your phone lights on. Everybody put your phone on right now. Put your phone on to record this moment because it's history. Representing Kaswa, representing good music, representing Mentorex, the next global icon. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for DLS! DSL!
Yeah. Congratulations, DSL. Winner of TV3 Mentor X. Hey. Congratulations. That means in second place,
yes,
Confidential. Congratulations, gentlemen. It's been a great show. And great talent indeed. Congratulations to you.
Okay. So, all right. So it means Confidential came second place, and of course, he's getting a total of 300,000 cities, and then in cash prize of 8,000 Ghana cities, Dr. Dollar Entertainment signed up of a single distribution deal with marketing and promotion on Trace TV. So Mr. Francis Doku will do the presentation for Confidential.
Congratulations, Confidential.
Doku. Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Francis Doku. And now to the winner of Mentorex, Mentor Season 10, an overall grand prize of 500,000 Ghana cedis, wins a brand new car, 10,000 Ghana cedis cash. Right there. There you go.
Congratulations to you,
and
also,
there you have
DSL.
the keys to your brand new car.
Brand new.
DSL!
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
It's so surreal.
Mr. Winfred Afo, for making it happen.